What is going on, Moto fam? I'm going to meet up with the group, and today we're taking a nice little ride up the mountains. But before that, I'm just gonna rant a little bit here. If you guys don't want to hear that, you can definitely just skip to that portion and enjoy the nice ride. Otherwise, I got a few safety tips for some of you guys and a story from a couple days ago. Just riding normally like this in traffic, and a big ass Escalade decided to shift over lanes. I was pretty much just like this here with this car, kind of riding in their blind spot, but I was in their mirrors. So, you know, decided to shift lanes without any warning, and that's when you guys really have to be prepared for anything, right? Be careful out there. What you want to do in that situation is, I try not to ride right where I am right now, and you just want to speed either past them, but I was in traffic, so I couldn't do that. Your other option is to swerve out of the way and accelerate or brake, right? So you got a couple of escape options there. And for me, I watch Dan the fireman quite often. He's actually a local here in the area, but you know, he says that you gotta have multiple escape routes, right? If you're pinned between two sections, you can either accelerate or decelerate. And then if you can't decelerate fast enough, you better find a way to swerve out of the way, right? And that's where practicing comes into play. But that happened twice to me in one day, where cars were just not paying attention in traffic. They want to get over in the lane, and they just don't pay attention to you. So if you're riding up to somebody and you know you're in their blind spot, watch their tires. That's the best thing I can say. Is you gotta have, I guess, you gotta have that, what do you call this? I would call it moto sense. Some moto sense. Be aware of what other drivers are doing. You can kind of feel what they're gonna want to do if you're just watching them. But that's pretty much my 2 cents. And also, these intersections you're coming across, if you're a new rider, probably one of the most dangerous things. I have seen people just run red lights, especially here in the area. So you guys want to watch out for that. Look both ways before you just accelerate out. Granted, you do want to get out of the way as fast as you can between these intersections. So just take a quick peek left and right. Both cars are stopped, and just accelerate out of the way. It's as easy as that. Otherwise, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Your boy's got to get some gas. So we're going to go fill up before we head up these mountains. Yep.
quick, guys, you're gonna see a white Audi here, and he's pretty much gonna brake check me. You want to watch out for drivers like this and just pay attention to what they're doing in case they get upset and do something like this.
Again, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Ride safe out there. Till next time, I'll see you later.